Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello. Today we are going to do a discussion. So first of all, I am candidate A.
I'm candidate B.
And I'm candidate C.
And I'm candidate D.
So as members of the society, we should decide the best activity for the week of nature. So in my opinion, I think that I would like to organize a tree planting activity. Because obviously it costs less, so it saves our money, because it doesn't require a lot of efforts to organize a big event, and I think that tree planting activity is a small event. And other than that, I think that tree planting activity may develop love for our mother earth from the students, so that we can feel so we can love our mother earth more. And thirdly, with tree planting activity, it is like a hands-on activity which can give us an experience to how to plant a tree. And with this, it shows that we really love our mother earth, because as they say, action speaks louder than words. And last but not least, with tree planting activities, we can, with more trees, we can reduce the carbon dioxide in our air, and we can live a healthier life from now on. So what do you think about my opinion, candidate B?
Okay. For my opinion, I partially agree with your opinion, but I have my own opinion too, that which is organize a trip to the national park is the best activity to do when in the week nature week. First of all, this is because national park has their own facilities, own nature that we can see and experience it by our own. So even though it look like costly, but it's still it costly on we need to rent the bus, the ticket or meals when we go there. So but it still give us many benefits, which is the participant can touch, feel the flora and fauna there, so that can instill our love to the nature. Yes.
May I give my opinion?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so my suggestion is by doing a recycling day. In this event, we have all of the university students or all the participants can collect all the waste around the university's compound, and also we can organize many events, such as making a competition to invent something from the waste that we collected. And also we can also give a consolation prize for the participants, and this is because to instill the feeling of gratefulness towards our environments, and also to spread awareness of the cleanliness in our environment. So this is important to change our mindset towards collecting or recycling all the waste that we throw out.
So I want to state my opinion too, which is we can organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. With camping trip, usually we have to with camping trip we will have to spend time in a forest, or we have to live there for a few days. So with that, all of us can blend with the nature, and we can feel how it will instill love for the nature, because over there we can see what are surrounding us, what are happening at our environment. So okay, as for the second point is camping trip. Usually as we all know that camping trip has a lot of activities, right? Such as jungle trip. So I want to highlight jungle trip, which is if we usually we will go into more into the forest, right? So when we go to the forest, we will see a lot of flora, and we will know what is it, is it okay for them, yeah. How is their conditions and so on. So at the same time, it will
You can learn while having fun.
in the sense that we can learn while having fun, and it's sometimes like it said, it's hands-on activities. So what's your opinion?
So, from my point of view, I think that I agree with candidate D, because with camping trip, we can actually surround ourselves with nature, and with nature surrounds us, we can feel how great it is to be inside nature. So I really agree with candidate D. So what do you think about that?
Okay, so I changed my mind, and I think candidate D opinions is the best the best activity to do in the nature week. This is because when we stay a night or 2 nights in the forest, we can feel how beautiful, how calm, how charming the surrounding in the forest. So how about you, candidate C?
It seems that all of us meet eye to eye, as I also agree to this event, surprisingly. No, not surprising at all. Okay, because it is fun. As a student, I love adventurous activities and such things. And when we organize a camping trip to a forest reserve, I think many students would want to participate as well, as it is cool, and we can also experience the life without our gadgets and stuff, being in the forest naturally and so beautiful, right?
And I want to add my point, which is country also can help in a natural part also, right? So and sometimes even 2-in-1 sessions.
That's right.
So we can get a lot of benefits, and most of the participants will enjoy it.
May I ask something? Do this will cost much money?
As we go with more people, we go with such a bunch of people, a group of people, so it will cost less than for a couple of people, because usually national park will have a certain price for a group of students, which is they really want lots of students to experience the nature by themselves. So it's one of the way for them to attract us to go there.
Shall we wrap up this discussion?
Alright.
So we can conclude that all of us agree that we decide the best activity for the week of nature is to organize
The
a camping trip
to a forest reserve.